DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
I got a rat problem. So I'm trying different baits and I'm just leaving them out here. They're going for the dog food. And, I usually keep poison out all the time, but I ran out and now I got a fucking population. But anyway, rats love to hang out in trees. I mean, they leave trees all the time. So anyway, I noticed that they're using this pathway here. See, all the way across. And then they go over there and God knows where they go, but they come in through here. So what I did is I took a snare. I took some real thin cable. I got some stainless steel wire here and I put a little alligator clip on it. And that holds a little snare right there, okay? It's just a regular snare. I got it centered pretty good. Anyway, I caught a rat this morning. I'm not going to show it because, and I don't like to doing this. I don't like to do this kind of shit because I don't like to, I don't want things to suffer or anything. But you got to do what you got to do sometimes. I'm hoping that this new bait. I took some Reese's peanut butter cups and I mixed them up with some egg, and I'm waiting for it to harden because they'll just lick it off, peanut butter and shit. So I need to get it fastened to, the little hook that comes out of here. And I think one thing you got to do is, I'm wearing surgical gloves when I do this because you don't want to get your smell on it, So anyway, I'm going to see how this works. I'd rather, kill them quick than that thing. But, But anyway, it's a pretty good idea, I think. With you can bend the wire to adjust it, and because it's a bitch to get it situated just right. Anyway, if you guys got a rat problem, and it's real thin cable, I think it's .018 inches. It's cable. I tried wire first, but they just slipped right out. So you got to use cable, and you just make a loop with the cable thing that you crimp, and that's it. Okay, how to snare rats. Here's another one. Now what I did is you solder the alligator clip to the wire, and then on the other end of the wire you put a loop, and also you put a loop on a loop in the wire, and you screw them both into something. Like over there, it screwed it into a tree. And then you can adjust this, because they like to run up and down here, up and down this hose. So there you go, that's another way to do it, or it's just another example. So the wires here, they're both screwed into here. You got a really thin cable here, and then there's the loop. I redid this one. The loop on the cable is just around this now, and then here's your screw for the wire. The wire goes up and it holds the snare right there where they're running. Okay?
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, This is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the number one stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.